Hello everyone, welcome back to the latest brand video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix login error and unexpected error occur. Please try logging in again on your iPhone and Android phone. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, go back to your home screen, and I have 5 methods to solve this problem, so hopefully any of them will fix your problem as well here. So for first method, just open up settings app on your device and scroll it down and type here on general. Again scroll it down and type here on date and time, and make sure that both 24-hour time and set automatically tools out on here. And then after that, go back and check whether the problem has been fixed, and if this trick doesn't work for you, then go for the next one. For that, what you have to do is just open up App Store or Play Store on your device here, and then search here for the Facebook app. So what you have to do is just update it to the latest version if an updated version is available here, and then after that log in again and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick does not work for you, then go for the next one. For that, just uninstall your Facebook app and then turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn it on again, and then reinstall your Facebook app and try to log in again. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the next one. For that, just open up settings app on your device here, and now type here on general. Again scroll it down all the way and type here on reset here, and from here type here on reset all settings. Enter your passcode here, and now type here on reset all settings. So this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted here. So after this, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the final one. For that, just open up any browser on your device here, like Safari or Google Chrome here, and then what you have to do is just search for the facebook.com here, and then put your email and password here and log in your Facebook until your Facebook app is fixed here. So that's it for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.